Okay, guys, this is an e-commerce website. For those of you that want to launch an e-commerce website, you want something sleek and beautiful, responsive, and working perfectly, then this is for you. Okay, this is the front page. It's very responsive both on laptop, desktop, and on mobile devices. Okay, so this is also a multi-vendor marketplace, which means you can launch this if it is not for your personal use. You can launch it and vendors can register and sell on your platform. Okay, it's just like a marketplace. So it is complete, and right now you can see where sellers can register. So I'll be going to the admin dashboard, so I show you how it looks like as well as the features. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see the total analytics for sales. Okay. So now this is the dashboard and this is your product. Here you add your product categories. Okay. So you can add new category here, upload the picture, give it a name, then fill in the other things, then you save and exit. Now you have brand. So you have different brand. As you can see, this is Levi's, Adidas, H&M, Rolex, Apple, Gucci. So there are lots of them. You can add as many brands as possible. Now, if you're using this for your personal e-commerce website, you can add your brand if you have brands. Okay, if you are selling products that have brand. So if you are using this as a marketplace, a multi-vendor marketplace where people sign up, vendors sign up and to sell their product, then you need to add all these because as you are dealing with a lot of vendors, you do not know what they are selling. So in case they have their product have brand, you'll be able to see the brand option when they add their product. That is it. Now you have the attribute. Now these attributes are like sizes, colors, and what have you. So there are lots of them. You add these. So the things you add on this platform depends on who is using it. If it is for personal use, you don't need some of these unless your product requires them. But if it is multi-vendor, you're using it as a marketplace where people sell their products. So that means all these things are very important. You need to add them. Okay, so that is it. Here you can see the sizes, extra large, large, medium size. You can add new attributes, you can delete, you can edit. Now these are the tax rules. Okay, so you can add these, the shipping rules also. You can add new shipping rule here. Okay, so this is the collection. So you have featured, you have trending, you have top selling product. So depending on what you want to add, you can add more collection here so that when your vendors are adding products, the products can be categorized into collection, featured products, trending products, top selling. You can add Black Friday products and all that. Now these are the bundle deals for those that would want to sell in bundles. Okay, you can get buy one, then you get one, and buy two, then you get one free. So then these are vouchers. You can see Black Friday voucher, you can have Valentine voucher, you can have New Year voucher, whatever. So you implement the name, the code, the price, the minimum to spend before you're able to use this voucher, and the usage limit. How many times the person can a customer use this voucher? Then the limit per customer. For each customer, how many times can they use this? So you set the rules. You can just click on add voucher and you set the rules here. That is it. Then the product, these are the list of all the products. Okay. So you can review, you can see the reviews, you can edit, you can delete. You can add product here too as an admin. Then that is it. Then you have the flash sales, New Year flash sales. So you can add as many flash sales as you want to add. Now for this POS system, this is a plugin, it's an add-on, okay? It doesn't actually come with this script, this commerce script. So you can get it as an add-on. So this POS system, you can just like when you enter a supermarket and you buy products, you pay, they pay you, you can connect it to your printer and you print receipt to your customer. So basically that is what this thing is for. Then these are your orders. These are all the orders that you've gotten, all the sales you've made. Okay. Now these are the ratings. These are the registered reviews. Those that registered, so registered customers, those that registered, and these are the guest customers, those that didn't register, they didn't sign up, but they purchased an item, something like that. Now these are the subscription. This is the subscription option. If okay, those that subscribe to your email list. So these are their emails time they subscribed. Now this is the email format. Okay, you can add subscription email format. These are the email format that the email you want to send to your subscribers. You can add the format here. Just click here, then you put in subject. Okay, that is it. Then the bulk upload option. The bulk upload. If you want to upload, if you want to import bulk product, you can just import it. So this should be the format of the product when you have put in everything in this format. Then you can upload. Okay. Now these are the roles and permissions. You have super admin, you have vendor, you can have a staff, you can have a cashier, so whatever. Then this is the admins and vendors. Okay, these are the list of admins and vendors registered on this platform. And this is the withdrawal option, the requests, this is the account. So I not actually go through all these because not all of them are that important. So you can, it's there are things that you can go do on your own. So these are the pages, the home slide. Like this home slide, you can see, you can actually change the home slide here. Okay, you can change, just click on add image, edit, or delete. So you can change the slide, you can delete, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So these are the banners. As you can see, these banners, if you visit the site, you can see all these banners are packed. These are the banners, okay? So you can actually change them. Sorry, you can actually change these banners. Just click on this, then you change the banners. Okay. So now this is the footer link. This is the footer link. You have the about, frequently asked, contact, refund policy. You can add new about us link. Here there are two footer links, the about us link and service links. Now let's go to the site so you see it. This is the about us and this is the service links. As you can see, the service require refund policy, privacy policy, refund policy, privacy policy. So then the service about frequently asked question, contact us, and all that. So please, the header links. So everything you need to customize and manage this platform is here. Okay, you can change all the details here. Personalize it to your own as your own. Then you can launch it. These are the site features. These site features, rapid shipping, secure. You can add more site features, and this is it. These are the site features here. Okay, now these are the site settings. This is where you change the logo, the favicon, the footer, the email logo, and a lot of things. The site name, the site URL, then the meta title, meta description, meta keyword, the copyright below the footer. Okay, primary color, you can change the primary color here. Primary color on hover. So that is it. Now the primary color, you can just put just the color. Okay, just copy the code. That's it. Then you save. Now these are custom scripts. Okay, you can add a custom script here. It can be a header or footer script. Header script. It could be a code. It could be pixel. It could be anything. So then this is the store. This is where you change the store this thing logo, and the store name and title and all that. Then this is the general settings. I think this is the last option. Here you can change the currency. You can choose the currency you want to deal with. Then you decide where you want the currency symbol to be placed. Is it by the left or by the right? Depending on your country. Then the format of the currency. So there are lots of options for you to choose from. Then the address, your store address, email, phone number, all that. Then the language, you can add many languages. So that's multilingual. If you are running this in different countries, so you can add as many languages as you want to add. Okay, so that is it. Now the social login, here you can put in your Google login, client ID, so that your users can sign up or sign in using their Google account. Then this is Facebook login too. You put in the Facebook ID, they can log in with their Facebook. Then the SMTP email, this is where you set in your email, very important for your vendors and also for yourself to get notifications for every orders. Then this is the analytics. You can enable Google Analytics here. Just enable this, then put in the Google Analytics ID, Facebook Pixel, put it here. These are the payments gateways, cash on delivery, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Flutterwave. Also has bank transfer. Okay. Now these are the media storage. You can either use Google storage, local storage, or can use. Okay, these are the two storage options here. Okay, I think that is it. Now the next one is miscellaneous. Do you want to accept guest checkout, cookie and banner, vendor registration? If you do not want, if you want to run this as a single vendor e-commerce marketplace, like your own personal e-commerce shop, this is where you do this. You just disable this vendor registration. Okay, as it. Then attach PDF in user email, translate attached email, PDF in email, send email to the seller on new orders. So just set this. Default location for shipping, you set the country, and that's the plugins. If you have any plugins like the POS plugin is an add-on, you can upload. Then if you want to, if you make changes, when you are done making changes to the site, you can, if the changes do not reflect on your site, immediately you can just come to this place and you clear the cache. So that is it. Now that you have seen this, the new dashboard as well as the front end. Now the next thing is for us to install this. I'm going to show you how to install this e-commerce website in a matter of minutes. So if you already know how to do this, all you have to do is you want to get this script, you click the button below or you to send a message on WhatsApp to get the script. So that is it. If you do not know how to install this, all you have to do is the first thing you need to do is you need a domain and the hosting. Okay, you need a reliable domain and your hosting where you are going to host this e-commerce website. Okay, so once you've gotten your domain and your hosting, then the next thing for you to do is to get the script. To get the script, you can click the button below. The WhatsApp button is there. You can send a message on WhatsApp or you can visit our site to get this. I'm going to drop a link in the comment section or in the description of this video. So that's it. Once you've gotten that, now the next thing is to log into your cPanel. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you're logged into your cPanel, this is how it should look like. Depending if you're using Hostinger, it's going to be different because this is cPanel, Hostinger uses hPanel, so it will be different. But the installation process should be the same. Now the first thing that you need to do is to first create a database. So you scroll down to this place, scroll down to databases, then you click on database wizard. Just click on this database wizard. It's very easy to do. Then you give the database a name. Yeah, it shows create a database, give it a name. You can just give it anything like I'm going to create sample, copying this, then you click on next step. Okay, you click on sample. Now this is the database that you have created. You can see the sample, then this is the extension for it. Now copy it. For me, I am using the same username, the same database name, and I'm still going to use it as the password. Okay, so I don't start thinking of the password I use. So for you, you can use a different name for database, a different name for the user, a different thing for data for the password. So for me, I'm going to use the same thing. Now, when you're done with this, you click on create user. So once you've done this, you click on all privileges, then you scroll down to next step. Now automatically you've created your database. Okay, you've created a database. Now the next thing for you to do is to make sure you copy this somewhere. Okay, you go to cPanel, click on it again. Then you go to file manager. File manager. This is the files. So under files, you click on file manager. Okay. So like I always say, okay, let me change this. If this is a new hosting, then do not be confused. Do not confuse yourself with the things you are seeing on this video because yours is definitely going to be different. Okay, so what you should be seeing mostly, what you need to do in order not to talk too much is go to this public HTML. Click on this with a globe. So once you click on it, it should be like this. It should be empty like this. Okay. So all you have to do is you click on file upload. You click on file upload, it's going to open, then you click on select file. Now you're going to select, once you click on this, it's going to open your file folder, your system file folder for you to select the file where you've saved it. Now the script where you've saved it, you've downloaded it, you now click and upload. While it is uploading, it's going to be blue in color. The progress bar is going to be blue in color. So once it is done, it's going to be green in color. So all you have to do is you click this go back, automatically it's going to refresh. Okay, it's going to refresh and you will see the file that you uploaded, the zip file that you uploaded. So you're going to see this zip file. So this is exactly what you should be seeing once you're done uploading it. Now if you're uploading on a subdomain, let me go back this. If you're uploading on a subdomain, then this is it. So this is the subdomain I'm uploading this thing to. So this is it. So you open the subdomain, then you upload. So once you are done uploading the zip file, it should be like this exactly. Then you right click on it, or you just click on it. Then you see the options here. You see extract, okay? Or you right click and click extract. So you're going to extract the files, the content of this zip file now. Okay, it's done extracting the files. Now you're going to see this install file. Click on it, double click, sorry, to open the file. Then you make sure that you go back to these settings. Okay, click these settings and make sure that these show hidden files are active. Click on it, then see hidden files. Okay, please make sure that you do this before you move all these files. If not, you'll be moving some and your the file won't be able to install correctly because there are some hidden files there. So now once you're done with this, you click on select all. Once you're done clicking on select all, you click on move. Then you now use the back key, remove this install, make sure that it is showing just your domain. The domain where you want to install this. Click on. Okay, now you click on go up one level. Okay, that is it. Now the next thing for you to do is you go to the visit that domain that you have installed this, reload it. So once you've reloaded it, you are going to see this. Okay, just click slash and type install. Now you're going to see this. The app name, you can give it your name, iShop, then the database name, database username, and database password. So this is my database name, username, and password. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to click on submit. Now this thing is installing. Okay, as you can see, you have successfully configured this thing. It has been installed. Now this is it. 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 Okay. Okay, that is it. You successfully installed this. And let me check the password for it. So this is the password. 12456 admin@gmail.com. Okay, let's log in. Okay, this is it. Admin@gmail.com. Then the password is 1234556. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, hold on, let me get the password. Okay, so this is the admin login, admin@mail.com. Then the password is 1234556. So you log in. Now this is it. Exactly as it is in the demo version. Now we have placeholder there instead of this thing. We have placeholders. Let's visit the site. Let me see the site. So these are placeholders. So instead of the real images, placeholders were used in the demo. Okay. No content. So all you have to do is you delete all these and start adding your own. It's in your own real content. That is, everything is here. Everything is here. The product, the categories, the brand, attributes, taxes, shipping, collection, everything that I showed to you before. The flash sale, orders, rating, subscription, the bulk upload, and everything. So that is it. Now this is, you come to setting, you change your this thing, your currency, then the payment option. You can see it has all the payment options there. All you have to do is you just choose the particular payment option you want to use, then you put in the credentials, the right credentials for it, and you save. So that is it. This is how you create your e-commerce website. So you go through all the options and set everything accordingly as I have shown you. Okay, the logo and everything, all the options are here to completely customize this e-commerce website to your own. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, follow for more because I make videos like this. That is it. If you need this script, you can send me a message or you check the description of this video. You are going to see a link to get it, or also the WhatsApp link to send me a message. Then you will get this script. I'll see you guys in the next video.